Hi, I'm Milena, VP of Marketing at LeadDelta, and today I'm going to show you how to use LeadDelta Dashboard to get a 360-degree view of your network. Now, let's get started.
We came up with LeadDelta Dashboard to give you a quick glance at the most important connections data so you can have a better overview of your network. The first thing you can see inside the dashboard is the overall number of connections you have. Here, you can easily see how many first-degree connections you have in your network. Next to it, you have the number of followers and the number of followings. There's a clear distinction between these two groups. Followers are people that are following you on LinkedIn, while followings show you the number of people you are currently following. We are pulling this data directly from your LinkedIn account, and it's not related to your LeadDelta data. If you click on any of these three boxes at the top, they will open up the connections page with the connections overview. Next, you can see the percentage of your connections that belong to a certain geolocation, have a certain job title, or belong to a certain industry. By clicking on any of these items, whether it's location, job title, or industry, it will open up the connections page with that specific filter applied. For example, if you click on the United States, it will open up the Connections tab with a location filter on, showing only United States connections. Below that, you have the option to see your overall number of tags. This is how many tags you created inside LeadDelta. When you click on it, the Tags menu will open up, where you can actually see all your tags. After that, you can see the number of untagged connections. You can easily identify them by clicking on this box. The Connections page will show up, and you will see only the connections that don't have any tags applied to them. Going back to the dashboard, we are also showing you the number of your messaged connections. This number will go higher each time you start a new conversation. Note that this number might vary from your LinkedIn inbox number simply because LeadDelta is only presenting the messages between you and your first-degree connections. So no in-mails, no sponsored messages, or sales navigator messages. When you click on it, you'll get redirected to your inbox page. And last, but not least, is the Notes box. When clicking on this number, you will be redirected to your Connections tab and only be presented with connections that have notes associated with them.
Thank you for watching. For more information, check our website at LeadDelta.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support at support@LeadDelta.com. Thank you.